Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Bollywood Plus YouTube channel. What a sexy! Param Sundari Kriti Sanon sizzles in a pink cut-out dress at the crew premiere. Hot video goes viral. Kriti Sanon arrived in style at the crew premiere in Delhi. The actress turned heads with her hot outfit. आइए देखते हैं कृति सनन की हॉट वीडियो है। For more such videos, please like, comment, share our video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.